Good morning, everybody. Let's get right to the point. Who's ready for today? Good morning, everybody. Hit the like button on the way in. We always go live every day to discuss the market. Today is the earning play unicorn. Today we got many stocks had earning yesterday after hours, and of course, squeezing right now. Before we go further, guys, remember our content always for educational purposes, and we're not financial advisors. So always do your due diligence before you put your money on the line. So first of all, we got a really good list here for you guys. Let me just bring everything. SEZL, one of them. We got INQ, did really great yesterday. Nvidia reported earnings, pulled back, now it's going up. Snow, uh, I think those the top, maybe PSTG. Yeah, all those stocks got earnings early on. Let me just check job Y. We got CELH reversing from a huge bottom. But this one I don't trust it that much. Let's see. Might be good. Anyway, let us bring the stocks here. Yeah, BFLY reported earnings as well today. I think today pre-market, yes. This one looking juicy as well. Almost hit the 419. RXT, the same. Reported earnings now 29%, pulling back. It was, I think, around the 30% or over. Now it's pulling back a little bit. Yeah, it might be good for a reversal here if we hold. LBT is not earning play. This one is the top gainer. Aha, so this one have news with AMD, guys. SEZL looking fantastic. It got near a huge level around the 8150. Hopefully we tested this level again at the market open. Yeah, we should do another 5% at the market open, guys. So watch out for SEZL at the market open. IonQ, huge jump 15% as well, holding a new gap right now over the 37. I'm watching this one for another continuation or a pullback. Nvidia had earnings as well yesterday. Earnings were good, but yeah, we got big seller around the 198.94. We got Snow is reversing. This one had earnings, of course, after hours yesterday. Yes. And PSTG is pulling back down. This one, I don't fully like it. NVAX, it might be good to watch if we broke over the 10, but again, I don't like the technical that much. It's too risky. Reverse almost 20% from the dip. Yeah, Coinbase, we got a little bit of pullback. Yesterday did the big jump because cryptos pulling back up. We'll see if we're gonna have another continuation for today. Yeah, it looked really interesting to go higher again. But yeah, today it's pulling back. It's pulling back. We might have a pullback around the 176. Yeah, watching for pullback for plug. We got 20 minutes left. Hopefully we're gonna have a huge day today, guys. Huge day. We should have a huge day. B had a huge day recently. Went to all-time high around the 180. Oh, this one is still strangely strong around this resistance. No pullback yet. TIRX on fire, ALBT, new support level. Hello, Stefano. TRX, we don't have it on our list. Let's see if it's good. Wow, it just came right now, man. Yeah, 38%. Yeah, it was one of the top gainer before. It's getting near a resistance. That's why we have a pullback now. It's pulled back. It's pulling back. Yeah, we got a seller around the 10 cent. Yeah, TRX looking interesting. 38% jumping. I think we got some news dropped right now in the market. RXT, I don't like it here. It's pulling back a lot. This one is still looking all right. Snow, the same. INQ. Yeah, INQ could be really good for today if we hold the support. Yeah, TRX, we got double top. Nvidia is pulling back before the opening. You know what? I will pass on Nvidia. Beyond Meat, Karina, what's going on? News morning. They have a new drink. Richie, yes, the stock was on our list today, and best entry was in the pre-market. It was SEZL, had a huge earnings. Price tested the 70, 90. Now it's testing 81. Was really good entry early on. INQ the same. We have a really good reversal over this support. Was really good. Pre-market watch list play. We got almost 10 minutes, guys, at the market open. Almost 10 minutes at the market open. Let me know what you think about today. Yeah, hopefully we're gonna get some action today, guys. The 80 today, 82, Karina. 82 would be great. The flag on which stock? What kind of news SICS have? Don't care about the news, man. The technical is dead. Yeah, we have 95 million contract, but I don't like it. We need some action. Yeah, if we have good news, but there is no follow-up with the technical, I will not like it. 80, we already tested the 80, or let's see. Yeah, already tested the 80 today in pre-market, I think, or yesterday. We need the 82. Over the 82 would be perfect. Yeah, to get the squeeze. And this time we might have the $1 before the end of this month would be great. 10% is really good for Beyond Meat. SMCI, the same, 8% yesterday, really good. It's getting near a major breakout for SMCI. Yeah, Yoka is going down. ACTI. AEHL, still keeping it here on the list. Might be good for later. Yeah, guys, we can't trade all the stocks, so we have to be strategic and narrow down our list. Yeah, I'm waiting for SEZL to give us a move at the market open. Hopefully, we're gonna have another pump before the market open around the 81. INQ trying, Snow trying to break. Yeah, Snow is heading toward a major resistance now. VIR just flushed yesterday, man. Unity, I think, uh, yeah, start to reverse a little bit, but it's not good below the 20. Still heavily shorted. It's got near the 16, which is the bottom. If we have another bearish momentum, might be good to watch for the 15 if we broke this level, of course. Yeah, it looked really interesting for a major reversal. Yeah, so the 19, it is the level to break. Yeah, we got some trend here broken. Let's see how much we reverse. We reversed almost 9% already. We need another 3% here. After that, we might have 5% and maybe 11%. ALBT, the best entry was before this jump, but for now, I'm waiting for breakout from the 128. Otherwise, I'm not entering. It's too risky. Because if we don't break, I expect a huge pullback at the market open because now is kind of overextended. And I think a lot of traders will take profit at the market open to lower their risk. And if we are strong, we're gonna meet with a huge buying pressure, and this is will make it squeeze. Yeah, there's I think three scenarios. The first scenario is a big buyer come at the market open and squeeze and get halted up. Best case scenario. The other scenario is going down fast and get shorted. and then get bought here and then getting squeezed. The other scenario is getting shorted and never recover. Or the last scenario, which is I don't really like, is going up, trap, pull trap, and then flush. This is for ALBT. There's many scenario, guys, for every stock. And the best thing you can do in trading is to have those kind of scenarios to play in your head. So once the war starts, you'll be ready to act in seconds. And this is will help you even in any situation. Richie, you have to do your own decision, brother. It's like you tell me, Jesus, please tell me when I wash my teeth, or when should I get married. This is your decision, brother. And as we said, it is milliseconds decisions in trading. The more you hesitate, is game over for you. The more you hesitate is the more you gonna be dead cat. So this is the trick in the market. You have to take decision and own it. ALBT, we have anticipation mode. I'm gonna add another support just in case if we broke it. This is will be a warning sign, or at least a tail sign of short entering. BFLY, nothing much. No, it's going up. INQ. Okay, interesting. SEZL is squeezing before the market open. Yeah, we have 25% right now. Come on, guys. SEZL might squeeze before the market open. If we broke the 81.46, this one will squeeze before the market open. Come on, 80, 81. Come on, man. We got a few seconds, guys. Be ready. I think we're gonna have a huge war, especially for SEZL, because the short seller is covering up. I'm gonna put support here around 25.80. Let's go. Come on. Lift off. Okay. Still holding for SEZL. Snow is still going up. PFLY, ALBT, TRX. I'll take it from the list here. SEZL is still holding the gain. 81.46 is the major seller place for SEZL. INQ is still holding. Snow. It might be great to watch snow, guys. Holy bologna. SEZL is jumping. Holy bologna. Holy bologna. INQ jumping. Snow is pulling back. BFLY. ALBT nothing. Yeah, INQ looking really interesting here. Yeah, SEZL I think is gonna go to the Falahalla. INQ, we got a pullback around the resistance. What's going on? Why? Where's the? Yeah, we still have a big buyer for SEZL. As you remember, guys, we did the nice trade for SEZL. We did the short for it early on in the pre-market watch list. For today, we said the 70.90 is the current support you should watch out for. It was really great play for today. Great hunt, everybody. Again, we always do update every day for stocks like those. Every day, guys. If we have a good setup, we update them on Discord. So the link comes section below if you want to join. BFLY, trying. ALBT is pulling back. SEZL, I think, is testing a major resistance. If it's pulled back, maybe I might enter for support here around the 75. Because right now I have a bit of struggle to go up. Aha, we have a buyer. We have a buyer. Holy baloney, we got a huge buyer for SEZL. I think it's going toward the 91. BFLY hitting the resistance. Oh, brother, SEZL, yeah, I feel a bit FOMO after breaking here. INQ, I will check. Snow didn't break. BFLY, it broke the resistance. So yeah, now it's looking interesting to go toward those levels. Yeah, it might go toward 480. Nvidia, as we said, is going down. Not good for today. Snow pulling back, CRM pulling back, Job Y pulling back, NVAX going up. B is pushing back down. I think it's good, looking good right now, B, for a bottom reversal. BFLY still on the number one, HCTI. As EZL is kind of holding a major support here. IPTA, yeah, it might pull back as EZL right now. It's kind of overextended. Yeah, INQ did a really good jump at the market open. Now have a bit of consolidation zone here. As for INQ as well, we did the short update for it early on in the pre-market. We said the 36 is the support. We said the 40.47 is the profit taken on resistant. As you see here, we already tested the resistance. Now it's have a bit of struggle to go up. ALBT guys is pulling back. So we didn't break the 128, that's why. B guys is pulling back. It could be really good for a dip. Yeah, waiting for B to have a more dip here. INQ trying to break. Nvidia still going down. SEZL, nice. We got a pullback. Nvidia still pulling back, guys. Nvidia still pulling back here. Interesting. NVAX still jumping up, guys. And girls, of course. Might watch for a dip for SEZL if we have one. Or B, might watch for a B dip instead. Yeah, finally we have a major dip for B. Plug is pulling back as well. And need plug to go more down, guys. Yeah, more down to buy the dip. Yeah, today is a bit bearish for the market. Silver is trying to hold the support here. For silver, guys, if we broke the 85 now, will be really juicy dip. Might happen of 6% maybe. Yeah, we have a big seller for silver around the 91. ALBT is still pulling back. BFLY, I think, found the resistance. INQ still didn't break. Yeah, B, you already discussed it, brother. It's pulling back, waiting for more pullback. TTD, I think, had earnings and flushed down. Yeah, now it's kind of reversed. Yeah, big time. Broke the resistance, it might get shorted soon. So it is already gone now. Yes, too far. It was perfect for entry here around the market open. Jabway, I don't like it. CELH, still below the resistance. B started to reverse a little bit, but I'm not convinced, man. I need more dip. I need another 5%. If it's not 10%, I'm not buying, man. If it's not 10% dip, I'm not even bothered to buy. It's too expensive. It's like someone coming and selling me like an iPhone 17 Pro Max and telling me, Jesus, buy it for 1,300 at discount of 1%. I tell him, no, I'm good. I already have two phone. If he come again, he tell me the latest iPhone, 1,000. No, thank you. And come again, 500. Maybe, but I will ask if he stole it because it's kind of weird to see iPhone, the latest iPhone 500. But I'm gonna buy it if he can give me like 10 of them. It would be a really good business. But be careful. In this kind of example, if you bought iPhone worth 500 instead 1,400 new, yeah, is mean you took it from a villain or a thief. So this example doesn't work here. But in stock market, imagine the stock market is like this. This is the price I'm always asking for. If someone told me buy for me the latest iPhone for 500, I will tell you thank you. Bring me, give me 1,000 of those. I will be ready. You have to be liquid, you know. The same with B. I'm not interested until the price come to me, you know. Some people tell me like I'm like delusional to get this kind of price. No, if you stay humble and patient, those opportunity comes, guys. But really rare. VIR, yeah, it pulled back a lot, man. It pulled back a lot. It's too dangerous here. Intel is pulling back as well. APLD, B is still pulling back. Yeah, time for a pullback, guys. Waiting for a huge pullback. Market is too dangerous. INQ is going up. Nvidia's flashing, guys. Guys, Nvidia could be really interesting to buy the dip for after the earnings. It might be really juicy. So I'm watching for another more dip for Nvidia for today. So snow is kind of breaking out. Wow, we got a strong support here for SEZL. Yeah, snow might be good now. Okay, so I'm gonna lower the support here. B is getting near my level. Intel is pulling back and giving all the gains that we did early. I think we got some news right now. The market is a bit risky. Yes, no, looking interesting now. Okay, INQ, might we have a breakout again? Yeah, ALBT guys, give up. We have a huge seller around the 128. VTYX, I will double check right now. VTYX is dead, man. Wow, this one really good. This one really good. TDD. Yeah, TIRX, no good. CDO, not good for today. AEHL is kind of breaking out. Yucca, not good. Interesting. Coinbase is going up, is holding the support for today. Okay, Intel might reverse here. Yeah, look really good for a little reversal for Intel here. Palantir has been really active lately. Okay, no reversal yet. Finally, we have a pullback here. Yeah, snow pulling back as well. Come on, Intel could be good for a reversal. Yeah, it looked really good here for reversal. At least 2%. Yeah, NVIDIA and ITC are replicating the SPY. ALBT, I will double check. Yeah, it's still holding the support. We got Zoom support. I will double check. We have to watch Intel closely for a reversal, guys. I'm gonna add a support or wow, no, it was a really dangerous play here. Yeah, we might have a reversal right now for Intel, guys. Could be good to go toward a 45, 64 for today. ALBT, I think we're unhalted right now. Zoom, let me just check Zoom. Zoom have earnings as well, guys. I think yesterday after hours. Whoa, we got broken down. Zoom have a support now is around almost the 70. Wow, 13%. Yeah, it's getting near a juicy bottom. Had bad earnings, guys. Zoom looking really good for a dip. Yeah, looking really good for a dip. Yeah, it look really good right now, but might dip some more. So we have to be strategic and extremely careful with it. TDD, it was the best candidate for reversal. Yeah, it reversed perfectly here. This one escaped for me, man. Escaped for me. This one is tricky. I think have after hours. Yes, yes, after hours. Anyway, are you kidding me, man? Are you kidding me? We almost reversed. Why we didn't? Those bastards. B reverse early. Yeah, I think we have a big buy for Intel guys over the 44.95. That's why it's consolidating here for a while. Yeah, of course. We're gonna have a reversal soon, guys. Soon rather than later. Coming up. Fresh off the oven. Coinbase still pulling back. B still reversing. Intel want to go up. Yeah, we need 1% reversal maybe. Zoom, yeah, looking interesting. I think the last time we have this kind of dip was, let's see, here we had a nice 13% up. Yeah, we dipped. Oh man, yeah, Zoom looking really juicy. Might have a nice reversal here, 3% maybe. So yeah, watching Zoom closely for a reversal, but kind of shy to reverse. Yeah, Zoom start to reverse, guys. Anyway, this is it for now, guys. We have to wrap up our live streaming for today. And of course, as usual, before we wrap everything out, we have to discuss a little bit of Beyond Meat. So, what's going on with Beyond Meat, everybody? Because the price is pulling back a little bit. Yesterday we did a really good jump. So we had to discuss where the squeeze will start because it is imminent. Before we go further, remember our content here always for educational purposes. So let me just show you what's going on, everybody. We got Beyond Meat is pulling back down from the 81. The good thing is we have this accumulation around the 80 cents. It was after hours, I think, yesterday. Yeah, during the market open, we did a really good jump. And we tried to break this level just below the 82 in the pre-market today, but we didn't. The short seller added their position. However, as we see before, and as we discussed before, we said there is a double top around the 82, and now we have another seller below the 82. So they are adding up even before the 82 resistance. However, if we have a pullback today and we're still holding the 69, it mean the buyer or the big whale is still buying big chunk of Beyond Meat, and we're gonna have eventually a reversal up toward the $1. So this is the last test before the breakout, before the end of this month, guys. Today is 26th of Thursday, 26th of February, and tomorrow 27th. So the next week will be the last options or the last time we have to try to break this resistance before the end of this month, because every month we have some drastic chart change. You see here we have the test here around January, then we pull back. We have the squeeze here happen in November, the other test around December. So every month we have something going on with Beyond Meat. Hopefully, we're gonna have this before the end of this week or tomorrow on Friday. If we have this kind of breakout, we're gonna discuss it first on our Discord, like what we did today for our hunt for SEZL and other stocks in pre-market watch list. It was really good play this one because we spotted the buyer around the 70 and we went around the 81. We hit the 81, we went over the 81, and the price pulled back for this stock. It was really good play for today. And of course, see you all back by tomorrow, guys, for the live streaming 30 minutes before the market open, and before that on our Discord and be Patreon. Thank you for watching, guys, and see you all back by tomorrow.